Have you ever found yourself constantly being interrupted by team leaders or managers needing help to solve problems, manage people, or make decisions on site? Perhaps they are excellent landscapers, but they're struggling to take ownership, communicate effectively, or lead their teams with confidence. The reality is that being technically good at landscaping doesn't automatically make someone an effective leader. And that's exactly why we've developed the Team Leader and Manager Training Program. This 12-week program, delivered through 6 practical leadership sessions, has been designed specifically for landscape businesses to help team leaders and managers develop the skills they need to lead effectively, communicate professionally, and take greater ownership on site. We'll cover everything from planning and delegation through to communication, handling difficult situations, and building long-term leadership confidence. The result? Stronger leaders, better organized projects, improved team performance, and less day-to-day pressure on you as the business owner. If you're looking to build team leaders and managers you can trust to lead your teams and reduce your operational involvement, I'd encourage you to apply for the next cohort. Places are limited to ensure maximum interaction and support throughout the program. Click the button below to find out more and secure your place.